why are you being so broke? Why can't you afford things for me like I can, Hooyo? Why can't you be like a normal person and let me buy stuff, Hooyo? Hooyo, stop being lazy for once and let me start buying things I need.
So what is it you need?
I'll tell you if you're ready to hear it out.
I'm ready to hear it.
My tablet, my new 3DS, my new Apple Watch. I already have new AirPods. I already have AirPods, so I'm fine for the week. A new cell phone and video games and not new computer guys. I don't have one until I'm not gonna get one until next Christmas break, but that's not the point. But that's not the point. The point is you need to stop being lazy and broke and start thinking about your things what your own son needs, Hooyo. Wake up, Hooyo. You need to understand. You need to understand, Hooyo. This is the biggest dream I need, Hooyo. I need all the things, Hooyo.
Really?
Yes. Do you want me to become a broke, poor man who wants to end up in the ninka on the street, on the jitka, Hooyo? Do you want me to become a poor ninka who lives on the jitka?
In the streets?
Yes.
No.
Then you have to let me buy some things. You need to understand. Stop being lazy and broke, and I need to start buying things, Hooyo. Less things, not full things. I need to know the things, Hooyo. Ugh, I am so tired of this broke ass family, wallahi. And I need you to understanding, Hooyo. I need to have stuff. Why can't you let me have stuff, Hooyo?
What?
You gotta let me have stuff, Hooyo. You're driving me crazy, Hooyo. If you don't want to let me have this stuff, none of this will happen.
Just stop. Stop.
I am not gonna stop this craziness unless I do the demand. Unless this is my demand, Hooyo.
Your demand